Are you a trailblazer? Do you like helping other people blaze their trails too? Sounds like you could be a champion.
Being a champion is all about advocacy. The Champions program has enabled me to have a platform in which I can bring others up.
So Champion helps show people the way.
It's just a great feeling to be recognized as a champion.
I kind of want to get pinched because I still don't believe it, right?
Be a champion.
And you should become a champion.
Here are some things to expect. Countless hours of just staying up at night. No, I'm kidding. Let me just be serious.
I've been able to use my experiences to help others learn and grow their careers.
To share what you did well and what you didn't do well gives the next person up a better chance to succeed.
Things that you'll need to be a future champion are
Dedication,
desire to connect with other people,
always being an advocate,
Selflessness, I can't say that word.
a desire to give back.
Then you need to be endlessly curious.
The benefits to your career are immeasurable.
I think one of the biggest things I enjoy is the idea dropping, the ability to exchange ideas on a much higher level than before.
having a social media account with 188,000 followers tweeting my information and my photo was a little surreal.
It will look phenomenal on your resume, and your boss will just be greatly appreciative.
Just having that validation has been great.
And it still can't make my Cowboys win a football game, but hey, it's okay.
Learn,
Share,
Belong.
Step into the spotlight.